Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi A1 Plus and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list, for example by using the dialer, then find the contact and tap on it. Here we have to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner and tap on the camera icon in the middle. And as you can see here, we've got two different options from which we can choose. So we can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery. And I will pick this option. Here we have to decide where we want to complete the section, so I'll pick gallery. Here let's find the photo you'd like to use and tap on it, obviously. And here from this step we can change the position of the photo, we can zoom it in or out. What's more, we can change the size of the square, highlighted square, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this area is responsible for it. Here we can rotate the picture, it's up to you how you want to set it, and if you're ready, just tap on done. As you can see, the photo will immediately appear actually here instead of this camera icon. So remember about tapping on save here. And this is how our contact will look like after saving. You will be able to see this photo on the contact list, for example. I'll show you here, or for example during all incoming calls from that number or texting. So basically that's all. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your Redmi A1 Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.